Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I just want to show you a simple beef stew recipe that you can take with ugali, sukuma wiki, kimboa kienyeji. Okay, a stew that you can take with ugali as the main dish, not rice. Okay, so before we go to the ingredients and everything else, I just want to remind you guys, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel to support my channel. Like this video at the end of it so that you support my channel, and also remember to put on the notification bells so that you get notification once I upload any new video. Otherwise, let us get to the ingredients. So today I am cooking beef stew. So here I have the beef itself, boiled beef, tomatoes, chopped onions. The spices I'm using today, I'm gonna use curry powder, a little bit of black pepper because I'm cooking for kids, turmeric, beef masala, roiko, a bit of paprika, and a little bit of salt to taste. So I'm also using some cooking oil. Let me not forget that I'm using some cooking oil to help me get a good stew. So let us start the process. First of all, I'm gonna put my already boiled meats into the sufuria. After doing that, you add in your onions. Add your onions. I normally like my onions dry before I add the cooking oil, so I'm gonna give it a time like 3 minutes, just stirring it so that you get a dry onion and meat before I add in my cooking oil. So as we wait for the onions to cook, I want us to talk about something, a short topic here. So let's talk about how do you prepare for a meal? How do you prepare before you start cooking a meal? There are people who cook when they're in the mood of cooking. There are people who cook when they're bored. There are people who cook because it's their passion. Like me, I love cooking. So how do you normally prepare before you start cooking your meals? Personally, what I normally do, if I want to cook, like, so let's say for example today we are cooking beef stew, I normally make sure that I have the beef in the house, I have my tomatoes ready, I have my onions, and the spices I like to use. So always I do not store my onions chopped already. I just chop them when I want to cook. Same today, tomatoes, but the spices I buy them in bulk and I put them in the house because you can't go to the market all the time to buy spices. So that is all I wanted to tell you, how I prepare for my meal preparations before I start cooking. Let us go back and check on our meats. Yeah, you can see the onions are not yet cooked well, so we will allow it to cook until it's properly done. And I also do, by the way, for those who don't know, I do outside catering. I do corporate foods, as in if you're in the office and you're like 20 people, maybe you work in a go down, there are no hotels around you, you can always DM me. Follow me on Instagram, Nelly Noel. Follow me on Facebook, Nelly Noel. And also on YouTube, I'm Nelly Noel. So yeah, I do those things. I also cook fish. I sell fish, tilapia from Nyanza on order. So if you want fish, I normally do my deliveries every Saturdays in the afternoon. So if you want fish, you make your order early enough so that I do the deliveries when I'm doing deliveries on Saturday, because I have other commitments. So I normally don't deliver fish during weekdays, but if you come to our shop, you will always get our fish. I am going to put my number down here so that you can call us anytime you need to order our foods, to inquire something of what we do. If you want to taste our foods, our menu is versatile. It's There's pilau, there's biryani, there's nyama, there's chicken, there's omena, there's fish, there's ugali, there's mashed potatoes, there's mokibo. There's a lot that you can order from us. So just call us and we will deliver to you so that you know what we offer and what we provide. Have a taste of our food. So let us not forget our beef. Yeah, we are almost there. So before I forget again, let me talk, because I've taken a while before I uploaded any YouTube video. What happened is sad. There's this friend I met. I've known her for 6 years. She's been here. We've been friends for a while. So she told me that her son can help me with editing of the videos. So me, because this is a friend, I just said, you know what, let me do this for a friend. So within a month, this guy, we had shot a lot of recipes. Actually, I think the videos here that he has not uploaded are around 8 different recipes. So one day, one night, I just wanted to check on my emails and everything else, trying to look for my channel. After a friend called me and told me, then Nelly, we're not seeing any video on your channel. So I'm like, what happened? In fact, I just thought maybe it's YouTube, bundles or something. Only to realize that my account was hacked by him, and he blackmailed me and told me that I have to give him 10,000 shillings before he gives me the account. So I reported the matter to the authorities, and they told me they're tracing him. So, you know, I wanted us to solve this as family friends, but the police told me, if you do that, tomorrow they'll come back again and ask you for maybe 50,000 and everything else. So now I just want to advise somebody who is starting YouTube. Like me, I'm just a beginner. It comes with a lot of challenges. This thing, you're just trying it, but it's really painful when somebody you know does this to you. Just be careful with people you give in your login details, people you trust with your information. Like this guy, I trusted him. I just gave him all my login details so that when anytime he edits a video, he can just upload it without even me being there. So that's something I've been facing, and I really apologize to my subscribers who might have been coming to follow a recipe and did not get the videos. That is what happened like 2 weeks ago, but I'm working on it. Hopefully we are back, and we are back, and we are back better and better. So let us go back to our beef before it gets burnt. So now you can see our meat is already cooked and the onions are now golden brown. So we add in our tomatoes. So after adding tomatoes, I normally like putting my salt at this point. It helps in cooking of the tomatoes faster. So a bit of salt for taste. Do not put a lot. Salt is not so healthy for your body. So just put kidogo. As the tomatoes are cooking, so that is what happened to my channel, but thank God we are back and better. And you guys, thank you for your support. It's really humbling to see none of you unsubscribed, even when I was not uploading anything. I'm super grateful for that. I don't take it for granted. It's by grace. For my friends who know me in person who are here, I'm just happy to have you as friends here on YouTube. So thank you very much for staying, and now we are back. We are going to upload videos back to back. I'm going to do different things. Again, I'm introducing a new channel called Let's Chat with Nelly Noel. So I'll leave this channel specifically for recipes, and then I'll have another channel where we'll talk about everything. We'll talk about kids, we'll talk about politics, we'll be interviewing different people, maybe people you'd want to see on my YouTube channel, people who are easily reachable. There might be celebrities who you can't reach, but there are celebrities whom you can reach easily, so we'll be talking about them. So I'll also, when the channel is ready, I'll come back here and tell you guys to go there and subscribe to support me, so that you also see the other side of me, that is the talking Nelly. Here it's just food. So today, that is just an alert I'm giving you. I've not created the other YouTube channel yet, but it's coming soon. So just have that in mind. Once it's ready, I'm gonna share with you people, so that we talk. We'll be talking. Just a minute, we check on our beef. You can see our tomatoes are breaking very easily. It's because of the salt. Do not add your salt. Do not add your spices before you do your salt, because spices makes it hard for tomatoes to break, by the way. So me, I normally do my salt first before I add any spice. I think the tomatoes are well cooked, so that it doesn't show at the end when you're serving your food. There is also another beef recipe that I shared that has vegetables in it. That one you can eat with rice. Today I'm just doing beef that you can take with ugali, skuma, mboga kienyeji, whatever. Just a simple beef stew that you can do at home. Our tomatoes are well cooked. So at this point I'm going to add my spices. I'm going to start with black pepper. Yeah, that's black pepper. I'll put a little of it because of the kids. That's enough. I'm going to turmeric. This one also a bit of it. Spices put according to your taste. Some people like it more spiced. Personally, I don't like a lot of it. Sorry about that. Okay, now this is paprika, a bit of it. Beef masala, because it's beef, a bit. Royco, the main ingredient in Kenya, Royco choosing mix. So a bit of it too. And to me, this is my favorite ingredient when it comes to cooking beef stew. This is my best of the best. So, curry powder, a scoop. So at this point, you're going to give it a good mix. Allow the meat to cook for like 5 minutes before you add your water, so that the spice ingie ndani ya nyama vizuri. So ukikula, si ukule spicy kombichi. So allow it to cook. As it cooks, you can clear your working space. So you can see. So wale wa nyama fry, hapa ndio sasa nyama yako imekuwa iko ready. But because we are doing it for kids and kids na supu, we have to put some still.